Hey Tammy, go into our BSN program course in D2L. That's this one. Go to Content. Go to Castle Branch. And then I have better luck when I open it in a new window. So open a new window. You are in the traditional BSN. You're trying to complete the level 2 package. And you'll keep working through here. And it will tell you exactly what you're getting. You're getting that statewide criminal Illinois background check and fraud and abuse scan, as well as a drug screen, as well as these other things, residence history, social security alert, those things. And that, once you get to here, it'll kind of work you through the process, kind of like you did when you very first started with your immunization. So you are getting it. They will tell you how to go about the process through Castle Branch, and then the results will automatically be in your Castle Branch account. If you have trouble once you're into it, I've used this chat with them frequently. I've used this feature, and then I've used this contact them feature, and both of them have worked great.